Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will know how to change language in Elevenlabs. Changing the language in Elevenlabs makes the platform more accessible to a wider range of users from various regions. While the default voice setting is typically in English, the system allows users to easily switch to other supported languages such as Russian, Ukrainian, Tamil, Danish, Slovak, Malay, Japanese, Chinese, and many more. To change the language, begin by selecting the language option from the Settings or Preferences menu of the AI tool you are using. Once in the settings, navigate to the Language Selection drop-down menu. Here, you will find a wide array of languages available, including Greek, Finnish, Arabic, and over 29 additional languages. After choosing your preferred language, simply type or paste your text in that language into the provided input box. The AI will then automatically adjust the voiceover to match the selected language, incorporating the appropriate accent and style. After reviewing your text to ensure it accurately conveys your message, you can proceed to generate the voiceover. By following these steps, you can easily customize the AI voice to meet your language preferences, enhancing the overall user experience. And that's everything you need to know about how to change language in Elevenlabs. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.